Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Keep Growing Podcast. In this podcast, I'm going to talk about my day to day life as a growth marketer. I'm working as a growth marketer in a digital marketing agency based out of India. I'm also a blogger, developer, YouTuber, but most importantly, I'm a learner. So, if you want to learn about new things in digital growth marketing, subscribe to Keep Growing and let's grow together. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of the Keep Growing with Sid podcast. Today, I'm going to talk about two important things that you can do to grow as a marketeer, growth marketeer, or just as a professional. In the month of May, I've talked to over a dozen of prospects over Zoom call or Google Meet or Hangouts. And the one thing I can easily say is that the whole business or economic world is pretty dynamic right now. It is evolving, it is changing. I had calls with clients wherein they are talking about a particular business goal on Monday, and by Thursday, they are coming up with a completely different business goal. This becomes challenging for us as marketeers to come up with the right strategy to achieve those new business goals. But we are not traditional marketeers, we are growth marketeers. We live on data. It is important for new age professionals or marketers to adopt to a data driven approach to tackle all of their business problems. Let me give you an example. So this past week we had a proposal meeting with a client with whom we were in talks for past couple of weeks, and they gave us 2 3 business problems that they want us to solve via digital marketing. Just for the context, it was an offline heavy brand who wants to go digital post COVID, as most of the brands right now. So we did our work, we did our research, collected relevant data, and created a digital strategy proposal for them. Our proposal was 70% focused on two major business problems for the brand, and the rest was covered by the third problem, as the brand insisted on same in our first meeting. Cut to the D-Day, our video call started, we exchanged pleasantries, and boom, the client said our business goals have changed and would want you to concentrate on the third problem for now. So, practically, out of that 50 slide presentation, only 10 odd slides were of our use. But we managed to not only survive for that call, but come up with some really good strategies right there on that call. And that is because of one major thing. We had ample amount of data, ample amount of relevant data to create and back our strategies. If you spend just a couple of hours for data research, you can get the gold, and data is the gold. Also, I would suggest everyone to research for at least 15 minutes about the client before your every call or meeting you go to. The second important thing that I want to talk about is a platform which I consider to be one of the most powerful platforms for professionals called LinkedIn. No, I'm not going to talk in depth about LinkedIn marketing. That can be another episode or a series or something like that. Today, I just want to talk about the importance of LinkedIn profile optimization. You just have to spend 1 hour to optimize your LinkedIn profile, and you are good to go for at least 6 months. I've created a complete guide about LinkedIn profile optimization. Just visit siddhantjain.in/LinkedIn to learn more about it. That is siddhantjain.in/LinkedIn. Now, coming to why you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Let's go back to my previous example. In the same meeting, while we started talking about ourselves as an agency, what we do, and everything, the brand's marketing head interrupted me and said, "Hey, I've seen your LinkedIn profile. It looks good. We know about you. We know everything about you." And that's the power of an optimized LinkedIn profile for you. I always check the concerned person's LinkedIn profile before going to every call or meeting I do. That's one ritual I live by. Your LinkedIn profile is your own personal brand, which deserves at least an hour of your precious time. You can check out my profile for reference. I will leave it in the show notes below. You can also message me on LinkedIn or follow me there, and I will help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. So, to conclude this episode, every professional should adopt to a data driven approach. I'm not talking about getting data from various sources, spending couple of days, just couple of hours are needed. Get the relevant data. I don't want you to come up with 100 stats. Come with just 20 relevant data points, and that are enough. And secondly, please optimize your LinkedIn profile. This is the right time. That's all from today's episode. Podcast is something new for me and I'm still learning. So do give me your honest feedback and content suggestions. You can send them over to me on Twitter or Instagram at the rate SidTechSid, that is at the rate SIDTECHSID. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, just comment below. Thanks for listening to Let's Grow with Sid.